How to turn on NFC on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. The iPhone Shortcuts app is a powerful tool that allows users to automate tasks and create personalized workflows by combining multiple actions across different apps. It enables users to create custom shortcuts to perform actions with a tap or by asking Siri, streamlining their daily iPhone usage. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new automation. Over here, scroll down and go to NFC. Here, you can choose when to run it. For example, select Run after confirmation. After that, tap on Scan at the top. Now, hold your device near the NFC tag to scan it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on NFC on iPhone.